All right, so you're scrolling through Amazon and you stumble on a tiny jar of Nigerian spice, and it's priced at $15. Meanwhile, you know you can get it down here, in fact, down the road, for less than, not even up to a fraction of that amount. Now, here's the big problem. What if you were the one earning those dollars? Okay, I'm sure it will sound good to you. Well, if you're interested in that, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you how you can start exporting Nigerian products, tapping into a market that is craving authentic items. There are so many people in the diaspora that need these Nigerian items, and you have all of it at the tip of your fingers. And you really do not need millions of naira to get started. So let's do a quick comparison here. Let me know in the comment section what's a popular Nigerian item you think could sell very well abroad. Maybe shea butter, maybe dried fish, or even Ankara fabrics. Let me know what you think would sell really well abroad. Now imagine that that same item price for double or even triple of Amazon, you get it here. Okay, but people are ready to pay that much. Why would people pay so much for that? That's because they want authentic Nigerian products that they can't find easily. Even if they can find it easily, it is really expensive, and they are ready to pay that much. And here is the opportunity for you. People like you and I can supply them and earn in foreign currencies. You want to know how? Stick right on to the end. So think about this year. We know that Naira, the value of Naira is dropping, and of course, other currencies are gaining momentum. But you can take advantage of it with mini exportation. Yes, you can make so much more. Imagine turning everyday products you see in markets here into real profits. And here is where it gets better. You do not need a massive budget to get started. In fact, very little amount of money. With the right approach, you can begin with what you have, grow gradually, and earn in stable foreign income. So I know that one thing that might be discouraging you from jumping into this could be you are thinking that mini exportation is complicated. Maybe you are wondering where you can even start from. Well, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, because these are questions I have also asked, and they are exactly why I created a step-by-step guide that will help you get started fast. But I will tell you more about that later. So here is a fact we all know, it's a common fact. Inflation is eating into our hard-earned naira every day. Day by day, no matter how much you have, it is losing value in naira. But what if you could escape that trap? If you are earning in dollars, inflation suddenly becomes a lot less scary. In fact, it could even work in your favor. So that's exactly why exportation is such a powerful opportunity. It lets you take control of your income, and while others are watching their savings shrink, you could be growing yours. So let me share a quick story of someone who also took advantage of this opportunity. Her name is Chiamaka from Lagos. She started small and she started exporting shea butter. Today, she's selling to over 5 countries, bringing in, enough income to live comfortably as she likes. And then another person in Kano, today he started with spices. He had it readily available within his environment, and now he's exporting monthly to African countries or African communities abroad as well. So they didn't have the perfect conditions, but they just took the leap with what they had. So what's stopping you from doing the same thing? You can always package these Nigerian items and they would happily buy, if you are even selling at a fraction of what they can get it in their country. So many persons, many African communities, or many Africans abroad miss the feel of home. Just picture this: someone in either New York, London, Toronto opens a package that you shipped to them, filled with Nigerian spices, fabrics, skincare products. They'll be thrilled because they are holding a piece of home, and they've missed it. So you are thrilled with the foreign currency in your account. You see, it's a win-win. So there's no better feeling than this. The thing is, people want to buy from you because they trust what is authentic, and if you can deliver what is authentic to them, they would happily buy. So here's the part you've been waiting for. I have put together everything you need in one complete ebook, and it's about 399 naira, because I genuinely want more people to become financially independent. Inside, you get a step-by-step guidance on everything from sourcing products locally to packaging, marketing, and also receiving your payments in foreign currency. And because I want you to succeed, I'm including a bonus guide for free. Yes, the extra book would show you how to attract buyers and build loyal customers even if you are new. So here is your chance to make a real change. For less than the price of a meal, you can invest in a future where you are earning in stable income. You're earning in stable currencies, gaining freedom from inflation. Don't let this chance pass you by. Every month you wait is another missed opportunity. So grab your copy now. Let's make this December the start of something big for you. I can't wait to see you in the other side. And please, if you got value from this video, do not forget to like, share, comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.